Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video tutorial about Moodle LMS. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a URL resource to a course within Moodle LMS. So let's get right to it. We need to log in to our Moodle LMS site and then locate our course that we want to edit, and on the course page we can turn editing on, or with Moodle 4.0 we have this neat toggle here that we can with one click automatically activate the editing mode within Moodle. So of course you need to make sure that you have the editing rights in the Moodle course, which means that you need to have the teacher role, admin or manager role, and when you want, you'll need to find the section in which you want to add your URL resource and then click on add an activity or resource. In the next window, find the URL icon and click on add a new URL. So what is an URL resource? So URL is unified resource locator, is just an address or link to an address on the World Wide Web. It's a really neat or simple way to adding a collection, one or a collection of addresses to a certain location of the internet. So we can just it can be really flexible and it can be used for different purposes. It's really simple, but it can be effective. For example, if you want your students to read more on a certain topic, you can add a URL resource to a Wikipedia article, to a citation or quotation database, or a, I'm not sure, online bookstore where the students can purchase the book or things like that. So we just need to add the name for our resource, and then we just paste the URL in the appearance. We can configure it to display as embed, to open, or to open in a pop-up window. And we can also display URL description. Then we can also configure the URL variables, which are not that important in our case. And also we have also the common module settings where we can hide or show our URL. In this case, of course, we want to show it. We can restrict access, of course. For example, if the students complete our previous Moodle page example and it's marked as completed, then the students can access our URL. And in the activity completion section, we will also configure it that this activity is marked completed when the conditions are met. And in this case, it means that the students must view this activity to complete it. And so, that's it. We just click on save and return to course. To view this resource, we can just click on toggle editing mode off, and when we click, the link resource opens, which is not a good thing. We need to go back and configure this to open the resource. So in the appearance section we will change it to open, and let's see if it does open the actual website address that we added. And when we click, it's opening the website that we added. And we can also add a URL to a certain video or link to a certain video, we can do that the same way as we added to a website. When we find the URL, add the external URL. I would not recommend this for using to add videos in this way via URL. I'm just using this as an example. There are other ways to add and embed videos from or upload from your PC or to link to external video sites from YouTube and things like that. So I would not recommend this for using videos, but if you really need it, you can do that too. Let's configure this. Activity completions. Students need to view it to mark it completed. So now, when we click there, we are forwarded or redirected to the video site. So that was a short tutorial on how to add a URL resource into a Moodle LMS course. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.